for a movie that hasn't even started filming. The new Fantastic Four project is already generating a lot of buzz. First, we heard that Julia Garner has been cast as the Silver Surfer. Then, Marvel unveiled new teaser art and a list of comics that seem to be inspiring this reboot. If you're not a hardcore Fantastic Four reader, some of these reveals might be more confusing than enlightening. Why is Silver Surfer a woman in the MCU? Is this movie set in the MCU at all? And what's the significance of the 5 comics Marvel highlighted? Let's break down what you need to know about the latest Fantastic Four news. How can the Silver Surfer be a woman? The MCU's take on the Fantastic Four is shaking things up significantly by introducing a female Silver Surfer, played by Julia Garner from Ozark. This isn't the first time Marvel has changed a character's gender for the MCU. Remember Mar-Vell in Captain Marvel? But it's certainly one of the most notable changes. Rather than changing Silver Surfer's gender, Marvel is altering the character's identity. Traditionally, Silver Surfer is Norrin Radd from Zenn-La, who makes a deal with Galactus to save his planet, becoming his herald. In this new version, Garner will portray Shalla-Bal, Norrin Radd's lover, who takes on the role of Silver Surfer. Shalla-Bal's decision to become Galactus' herald, sparing her world, shifts the narrative focus, potentially leaving Norrin Radd to lead Zenn-La in her absence. Interestingly, there's precedent for a shared power dynamic in Marvel's multiverse. In the 1999 Earth X series, Norrin Radd and Shalla-Bal both become heralds of Galactus. Could we see both characters sharing this cosmic burden in the new film? It's an intriguing possibility. Is Fantastic Four set in an alternate universe? There's heavy speculation that the new Fantastic Four movie will take place in an alternate universe rather than the main MCU timeline. This could explain why the FF have been absent in the MCU until now. Perhaps they've been in another universe following the space mission that gave them their powers. The casting of Shalla-Bal as Silver Surfer supports this alternate universe theory. This could be a reality where the Silver Surfer's origin is different. However, it might also be a way for Marvel to diversify its cosmic heroes, as most are male. A teaser image featuring Joseph Quinn as Human Torch shows a retro-futuristic New York City, unlike the one seen in the MCU. Coupled with earlier teaser art featuring a Life magazine cover from 1963, this hints at the film being set in a 1963 alternate universe. In this scenario, Reed Richards, played by Pedro Pascal, could have used his technology to reshape the city. But what happens when Galactus arrives? The Fantastic Four comics that influenced the movie. Marvel has highlighted 5 comics that are likely influencing the new Fantastic Four movie. Presented by the Future Foundation, a group founded by the Fantastic Four to mentor young geniuses, these comics offer clues about the film's tone and plot. Fantastic Four #1. The original Fantastic Four comic by Stan Lee and Jack Kirby is a logical starting point. It tells the team's origin story. Reed Richards, Sue Storm, her brother Johnny, and pilot Ben Grimm gain powers after a cosmic ray encounter. Initially, the focus is on their transformations rather than superhero exploits, suggesting the film might explore their evolution from a dysfunctional group to a heroic family. Fantastic Four #4850. These issues introduce Silver Surfer and Galactus, featuring the FF's desperate struggle to save Earth. If the movie follows this arc, expect intense scenes where the FF and Silver Surfer confront Galactus, with Reed Richards devising a last-ditch plan to avert disaster. Jeffrey Wright's Watcher could even make an appearance. Fantastic Four Life Story #1. Set in an alternate universe where characters age in real time. This series starts in the 1960s and chronicles the FF's adventures over decades. Highlighting the first issue suggests the movie might be set during the space race. exploring the team's early days without the darker elements of later issues. Earth X. While not on Marvel's official list, Earth X deserves mention for its portrayal of Shalla-Bal as a herald of Galactus alongside Norrin Radd. Although a dark and dystopian tale, this aspect might influence how the new film handles Shalla-Bal's transformation into Silver Surfer. Marvel's teasers suggest a hopeful, adventurous tone for the new Fantastic Four film, contrasting with the grim Earth X. Whether set in an alternate universe or the main MCU, the movie promises fresh takes on classic characters and epic cosmic challenges.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.